Hello everyone, welcome back to College Duniya's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about NEET eligibility criteria 2024, age limit, qualification marks, attempts. The minimum age to apply for NEET 2024 is 17 years. Thus, candidates who are currently 17 or will be completing 17 years of age by December 31st, 2024 are eligible to fill NEET 2024 application form. The upper age limit of 25 years has been scrapped. NEET eligibility criteria 2024 to apply for the exam is minimum of 50% marks in 12th. NEET eligibility 12th marks for reserved category candidates to fill NEET 2024 application form is 40%. Other than Indian nationals, NRIs, PIOs, foreign nationals are also eligible for admission to MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BUMS, BHMS, BSMS seats based on NEET. The qualification requirement is passed class 10 plus 2 in PCB and English from a recognized board. NEET age limit is must have completed 17 years as on December 31st, 2024. There is no upper age limit is there. NEET eligibility marks in 12th is for UR categories 50%, for OBC, SC or ST categories 40%. For PWD category is 40%. The NEET attempt limit is there is no restrictions on the number of attempts. The nationality is Indian nationals, NRIs, OCIs, PIOs, foreign nationals are eligible. Let's check the NEET age limit clarification by NTA. The candidate must have completed 17 years by December 31st, 2024. The upper age limit 25 years there is no longer applicable for NEET examination. Let's check the NEET eligibility criteria for qualification subjects. Students who have passed the class 12 qualifying exam are eligible to apply for NEET. Candidate must have physics, chemistry, biology, biotechnology as their subject in class 12 and should have passed in all the subjects. Class 12 is a basic qualifying exam, but the qualifying marks differ according to the candidate's category. NIOS candidates and those who opted for biology as an additional subject are now also eligible for NEET. Let's check the NEET eligibility marks in 12. For the journal category, 50% marks in the qualifying exam. For the OBC, SC or ST category, 40% marks in the qualifying exam. Person with disabilities is 40% marks in the qualifying exam. Let's check the qualifying exam codes for NEET 2024. Code 1. This code for 12 standard candidates in 2022 whose results are awaited and apply for the exam. These candidates must have qualified the class 12 exam by the time of admission, otherwise they will be considered ineligible. Code 2. Candidates who are higher or senior secondary examination or the Indian school certificate examination, which is equivalent to 10 plus 2 higher or senior secondary examination after a period of 12 years study, the last 2 years of such study comprising of physics, chemistry, biology, biotechnology, which shall include practical tests in these subjects, and mathematics or any other elective subject with English at a level not less than the core course for English as prescribed by the National Council of Education Research and Training after the introduction of the 10 plus 2 plus 3 education structure as recommended by the National Committee on Education have to put this code. Code 3. This code is for candidates who have done their intermediate pre-degree examination science at an Indian university, board or other recognized examining body with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, which shall include practical tests in these subjects and also eligible as a compulsory subject. Code 4. Candidates who have completed their pre-professional, pre-medical examination with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English after passing either the higher secondary examination or the pre-university or an equivalent examination have to choose these codes. The pre-professional, pre-medical examination shall include practical tests in these subjects and also English as a compulsory subject. Code 5. This code for candidates who have completed the first year of the 3 years degree course of a recognized university with physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology, including practical tests in these subjects provided the examination is a university examination and candidate has passed the earlier qualifying examination with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology with English at a level not less than a core course. Code 6. Those who have taken the BSc examination from an Indian university provided that he or she has passed the BSc examination with not less than 2 of the subject physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology, and further that he or she has passed the earlier qualifying examination with physics, chemistry, biology, and English have to choose this code. Code 7 candidates with have qualified any other examination which in scope and standard last 2 year of subject 10+2 studying comprising of physics, chemistry, and biology, biotechnology, which shall include practical tests in these subjects, have to choose this code. The exam should be equivalent to the intermediate science examination of an Indian university board taking physics, chemistry, and biology, biotechnology including practical tests in each of these subjects and English. Let's check the NEET eligibility criteria for NRI or foreign students. Candidates who have studied abroad and want admission in medical colleges in India must have passed in chemistry, physics, English, and biology or biotechnology with 50% marks in class 12, and their equivalency is determined by the Association of Indian University as MCI regulations and the concerned university. As per the latest notification by NTA, OCI, NRI, PIO, foreign nationals are now eligible for admission to medical, dental, Ayurveda, Unani Siddha, homeopathy seats subject to the rules and regulations issued by the respective state government of the Government of India. Let's check the NEET eligibility criteria for 15% for all India quota seats. Indian nationals, non-resident Indians, overseas citizen of India, person of Indian origin, and foreign nationals are eligible for 15% all India quota seats. 15% of the total seats are segregated as all India quota seats. To take admission through AIQ, candidates need to take part in online counselling for NEET conducted by MCC. After 2 rounds of counselling, if any seats remain vacant under AIQ, they will be converted into state quota seats. The merit list will have equal number of names as seats under the All India quota. Candidate will thus be allocated their seats directly. Those that will be put on the waiting list will be guided by the directions of DGHS Director General of Health Services. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana will now participate in 15% All India quota counselling and will not require the submission of a self-declaration form. Let's check the reservation policy for 15% All India seats. For the EWS category, the reservation is 10%. For the SC category, the reservation is 15%. For the ST category, the reservation is 7.5%. For the OBC NCL category, the reservation is 27%. For the PWD category, the reservation is 5%. Let's check the NEET eligibility criteria 2024 for state quota seats. The states participating in NEET will fill the remaining 85% of their MBBS or BDS seats through state counselling as per the following norms. Aspirants must have completed or appeared in 10th and 12th class exams from the state. Candidates should have valid address proof and domicile of the state. Admission through these seats will be subject to reservation policy and eligibility criteria prevalent in the state or union territory. For state counselling, candidate must contact the relevant state counselling authority for details. Deemed private university will conduct their own counselling procedure and candidate must apply for admission independently. Candidate who wish to take admission into AFMC must apply separately on their website since they will hold a second screening process. The following person can apply for admission under the state quota: Indian nationals, non-resident Indians, overseas citizen of India, person of Indian origin, foreign nationals. The candidates who are foreign nationals have to confirm their eligibility from the concerned medical, dental, Siddha, Unani, Ayurveda, homeopathic college or state. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.